Want to stop other people from opening your BingX app? In 2026, enabling an app lock only takes a few seconds and adds an extra layer of protection to your trading account. Open the BingX platform app and log into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and head to Security Settings or Privacy Settings. Look for options such as App Lock, Gesture Lock, Fingerprint Unlock, or Face ID Login, depending on your device and app version. Enable your preferred security method and complete the setup process. Once activated, BingX will require your fingerprint, face recognition, PIN, or pattern every time you open the app or after a period of inactivity. If your version of the BingX app doesn't include a built-in app lock, you can still use your phone's system-level app feature available on many Android devices or use Face ID protection on iPhones. Adding this extra security layer helps protect your funds if your device is lost, stolen, or accessed by someone else. And that's how you can lock the BingX application in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto security tips.